Hello, I am Dr. Sri Sharma, Vedic astrologer cum gemologist. So today let's talk about the blue sapphire. Blue sapphire is a gemstone that belongs to Saturn, planet Saturn, and this is very famous for the words they say, like it's a 3 second, 3 minute, or a 3 day stone within which it is destined to destroy somebody's life if it doesn't suit them. It can make a person it can elevate a person from rags to riches. The same time, it can bring even a person from riches to the rags. So there's no doubt about it. And the next thing, this particular gemstone is suitable for the people in the law profession, constructions, infrastructure, management people, and you have steel, iron ore, various kinds of industries also, uh, wherever you are using machines and all, such kind of industries, heavy industries I'm talking about, those people also can benefit from this particular gemstone called blue sapphire. Okay, in Hindi it's called Neelam. And people with suffering from sadesati or daya, that's 2.5 years or 7 years, 7 years. So these people also can benefit from this gemstone greatly. It's going to create new opportunities for you. It will keep on opening, always it will keep on opening window of opportunity for you. All right. And people with Rashi or ascendant, that is Lagna, of Singh Rashi, Kark Rashi, Meen Rashi, and you have Vrishtik or Mesh Rashi, should never venture into wearing this particular gemstone. Otherwise, it can completely uh, scatter them into pieces. There's no doubt about it. All right. And next, this particular planet, this particular gemstone, blue sapphire, gels well with emerald, or even a hessonite, which is Gomid, Rahu stone, or else you can wear it along with a diamond, or a fire opal, a Venus stones, in particular Venus, or Mercury, or else even Rahu, or even Ketu. Yes, a cat's eye also can gel well with blue sapphire. But a proper study of horoscope is very, very essential by an expert Vedic astrologer. All right. And uh, let's talk about Kashmiri blue sapphires, which are very rare. There is no mining, it's banned in India. Hardly whatever antique pieces they have, they are selling with very high rates. So they are in lakhs of rupees per carat. Okay, I have seen the Kashmiri blue sapphire only a couple of times in my life. One was worth 2 lakhs per carat, it's 5 carat piece, and another one was 5 lakh rupees per carat, and it's around 10 carat piece. And beyond that, even I couldn't see, but there are blue sapphires which are worth crores of rupees, which I would definitely would love to see them someday, because no, I can't afford them, but still I want to see them someday. It's a passion for me. Gemology is a passion for me. That's why. And coming to the Sri Lankan blue sapphire, it's also very good. Right from 5,000, 10,000 onwards, you can start getting the good quality. Now you can get it. It commands a price of at least 15 to 20,000 per carat. Yes. And the more the carat size you're increasing, let's say you want a blue sapphire of 8 carats, 10 carats, 15 carats, the more premium you have to pay. The same piece, if you want a 2 carat or 3 carat piece, such kind of premium will not be there. It will be quite less price. Maybe for 20-25,000 you can get it for 2 carat piece or 3 carat piece. Whereas the same one, if you want 10 carat piece, you have to shell out even a lakh or 2 lakhs per piece. Yes, that is how it works. And people who can't afford and yes, I'm sorry, let's come back to the blue sapphire, Sri Lankan blue sapphire. So there are various types of colors in this: light blue, dark blue, very dark blue, or else you can equate it to the corn blue sapphire. It is called corn blue. Okay. So according to my personal experience, I have seen blue sapphires with light blue are wonderful in results. There's no doubt about it. And yes, blue sapphires with corn blue color, very good fire, very good luster, such kind of blue sapphires also will give you great results. They'll make you branded person in the market, like your social status will be elevated. Okay, it brings you great luxuries. the it can restore your lost properties, it can create new properties for you, it can get you lands, it can get you houses, villas, it can get you apartments, what not, it can get you commercial complexes, malls, provided it suits you. Within no time, people have earned crores of rupees in front of my eyes. Some of my best friends have owned this. They've been elevated from rags to riches in front of my eyes. And in front of your eyes, you have seen Amitabh Bachchan from riches to rags without Blue Sapphire, and with Blue Sapphire from rags again to riches. Now he's now worth thousands of crores. Yes, so that is how a Blue Sapphire can take you to great heights, provided it suits you. And it's not that really easy that it suits you, because Saturn is a very testing planet. It's in Vedic astrology, it's known as a judge. It it works as a judge. Whether it suits you, also it punishes you if you do something wrong. So always be careful. You have to strictly follow the rules of dharma. Yes, the rules of cosmos. You have to follow the rules of cosmos and stick to them. Then Blue Sapphire can elevate you to great heights. And yes, it's called Pran Pratishtha, which is very essential for these gemstones, any of these, like Blue Sapphire or whatever it is, because you're inducing the life into that. Otherwise it's just a mere gemstone, there is no use. All right, you have to get it properly installed with Pran Pratishtha done at a temple, or else with some good pandit who knows the mantra of Pran Pratishtha. Otherwise it's mere waste. It will not work as much as you're thinking. It will give you maybe 20 or 25% results. But yes, if you do the Pran Pratishtha for this gemstone, no matter it might be cheap, it might be worth only 10 or 20,000 worth Neelam in toto, but still it can give you the results worth 500%. And if the Neelam is worth 10 lakhs in toto, and still if you are not doing the Pran Pratishtha, it cannot even give you 25 or 30% of results. So that is the magic, because these gemstones have to be followed by certain rules and regulations. No matter whatever religion you follow, you can purify it. In other words, Pran Pratishtha is nothing but purification in front of your Lord. You have to request your God, your own God, to help you overcome all the obstacles and create new opportunities for you. And never forget, if you are wearing this Blue Sapphire and you are not doing anything, and if you are sleeping in your home 24/7, I can guarantee you can't even get a single rupee in your life. That's it. You take Amitabh Bachchan, how hard working he is. He is above 75. He gets up, he wakes up at early morning 4 o'clock, maybe much earlier than that also. He finishes off all his things, and right from the first go, he'll be at the sets before, at least a couple of hours before everyone comes. He prepares all whatever his dialogues, his presentation, whatnot, all these things. Such hard working gentleman he is, and he works late till night. That's why he's earning such kind of money and such kind of fame, reputation and everything. And don't venture into wearing Blue Sapphire just because some astrologer has told me. It can, if he has not analyzed your horoscope thoroughly. And last, I have a catch for you guys. See, human beings, we people, today's world, we are very stingy about certain things. We think that we can get a great astrologer for 500 bucks or 1000 bucks, or more than sufficient for that person. A pandit was also worth not more than 100 or 200 or 500 or 1000 bucks. You are thoroughly mistaken, my dear friends. Never judge a person like that. Okay, the best things come with good quality. The quality things come with proper price. You want a great designer wear, you have to shell out money. All right, otherwise you can't get such kind of tag, and you can't get such reputation in your friends. People will say, yes, this is my friend who always wear big brands, Armani's, Versace's, all this kind of stuff. So in the same way, you get good astrologers. At last, I would definitely like to add a catch over here. That is, I can say people who are charging 500,000 or maybe such kind of things, I don't have anything against them, but I will tell you something. Person who is dying for 500,000 bucks because of his livelihood, okay, he's marketing so hardly about himself. What great miracles can he do for your particular life? You're also a struggler, he's also a struggler. What can he do? Tell me. There is hardly anything, my dear friends. They can hardly give you or show you any miracles in your life. So better stay away from them and search for a good astrologer. If you want to test me, yes, you can test me. I am ready for the challenge. Free of cost, I am going to guide you. Initially, you see the result and come back to me. Pay me the good price. That is what I am. Okay, I can challenge you. I can take you from rags to riches, no doubt about it, provided if you are listening and if you are executing whatever I am telling you. Right? Thank you, friends. Good day.